What's up, it's Jad T. Jones. Today is a fun topic. How do you get hot women to compliment you? That's what we're going to talk about today. So I'm about to share a technique that works very often that gets hot women giving me compliments. And here's how to do it. You ready? Well, first, before I tell you, let's have some suspense. Let me tell you the principle behind it. Whatever you want in life, first give it. That's a principle I learned 15, 20 years ago, and it has really changed my life and brought a lot of abundance into my life. Whatever you want in life, first give it. If you want love, give love. Okay? If you want friendship, give friendship, etc. So how do you get beautiful women to compliment you? You compliment them first, okay? It's super simple, but I also discovered this by accident. So when I was getting good at the game and stuff, I started complimenting hotter and hotter women, and I became more and more direct with my compliments, okay? Sometimes I would be like, oh my God, oh, give me a second, you're gorgeous, I can't, right? And I was like that direct with my compliment, okay? Or I'd see a girl and I'd be like, oh my God, you're gorgeous, oh, get away from me, right? And I would be very giving, very direct in my compliment. And sometimes those super hot women would surprise me and come back with, oh, you're not bad yourself. You're not so bad yourself. Right? Or it takes one to know one, right? So it's such a great feeling when you give a woman, this has to be genuine, okay? You can't fake this. This isn't a pickup line or a technique, but when you're genuinely taken by her beauty and you show her and you're like, oh my God, you're gorgeous, wow, right? And you show her that, well, a lot of times she's gonna like smile and be happy and say, you know what, you're not so bad yourself, or, right back at you, or whatever, right? So that's how you can get very beautiful women to compliment you. Whatever you want in life, first give it. Now, as a final side note, to increase the likelihood that you're gonna get compliments back, make sure you're dressed nicely, you're groomed, you're clean, all that stuff, okay? You gotta be looking and smelling good and fresh if you're going to be talking to women. So, provided that you are, fresh, you got your style tight, you're groomed and all that, I will bet money that when you start giving more compliments to women, you're going to start receiving compliments back. It worked for me. It'll probably work for you too. If you would like to know if a girl likes you before you make a move on her, then make sure to download my free one-page cheat sheet. The link is in the description box. And make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications icon, drop me a like and a comment to help this channel out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.